just because he got so much. Like I can, we have 4 furnace down on the map in literally 3 rounds. तो कल जब मैं क्लैश रॉयल खेल रहा था, there were a lot of matches where I was facing that damn broken card, evolved furnace, and I only thought one thing कि even though मेरे पास भी वो खुद कार्ड है, how am I supposed to counter it? And then मुझे वो आइडिया दिमाग में आया. How about I use double furnace to counter their single furnace. So that's why in this video we are going to be playing with this deck with the evolved furnace and mirror. Yeah, and I don't know why मैंने Evo skeleton डाल रखे थे in the evolved slot. But anyways, we are going to be using this deck where we have the evolved furnace, mirror, rage, goblin curse. This deck is just so much, you know, क्या बोलते हैं उसे? So much like all the broken cards are in this one deck. Like Goblin Curse, तुम skeleton army के ऊपर कर दो and then it's just tower down and then okay. So I remember कि मैंने इसमें Evo skeletons क्यों डाल दिए because for some reason मैं classic challenge में जब जा रहा हूँ I cannot use my evolved furnace here. I don't know what's the reason, but I cannot use it. So let's play just one game with these Evo skeletons and then I'll hop on to the challenges and let's play the furnace. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. So I think opponent भी furnace use कर रहा है, but we have cannon card. Cannon card भी. Oh wait, why is he using ice spirit? Does he have like a furnace cycle? Does he have a furnace cycle? And of course, it's the furnace first play by him as well. Wait on. Maybe I should just use the goblin machine. And he has goblin drill. I can just goblin machine here as well. We can just mirror up our goblin. Okay, he's using the deck जो हम लोग कल वाली वीडियो में use कर रहे थे. But yeah, his furnace should be taken care. Oh wait. How did that thing just die? And that's a lot of damage to our tower. But it's okay. I think we can come back from this because we have the furnace. Oh, even though उसके पास Evo होगा and हमारे पास नहीं है, it's still okay. Goblin machine should be dead and he goes for it. The thing is कि उसकी cycle बहुत ज़्यादा quick. So we need to be like a little bit careful about everything. And we can just Goblin Giant the bridge right now. And he must have his cannon back. Should we curse? No, I don't think it's worth it. We will get some damage. One thing and the cart is on the tower. Cart tower भी बहुत ज़्यादा damage करती है भाई. They just took half of his tower. I can just goblin, I mean furnace here. And we can get our mirrored up furnace. Yeah. Definitely getting our mirrored up furnace because he has furnace. Okay. So mirrored up furnace is not recommended in same lane. Because he can just fireball and log in. Okay, because our furnace was well level up, हमारी fireball log and it should spawn another fire spirit. It should be one hit on the tower. That's good. That's good damage. So I think we should cannon card the back because वो कभी भी अपने goblin trail के लिए जा सकता है or maybe he just gave up for no reason. I don't know, man. He didn't give, but he has the evolved furnace. I think I should goblin machine here, and I should goblin giant the bridge since he used this furnace up. वो उसको फर्नेस बैक में यूज नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. दैट्स ओह माय गॉड मैन. शुड रेज अपना गॉब्लिन जाइंट. शुड जस्ट गेट अवे. आई थिंक वी नीड आवर मिरर्ड अप फर्नेस. बट या हिज फर्नेस इज डेड एंड वी यूज्ड आवर इवॉल्व. वी ऑल नॉर्मल फर्नेस से हमने अच्छे से काउंटर कर लिया. आई विल जस्ट प्ले दिस गॉब्लिन मशीन so that his furnace dies there. And his right tower is also cooked because our furnace is on the hit tower. And I can just Goblin Giant the bridge and it's game over. I'm just gonna rage this all up. I'm gonna curse. He dies. I'll give him the CRN number 1 emote. But see, ये like हमने कितनी pretty easily इसको counter कर लिया. And अगर हमारे पास इमेजिन करो इवॉल्व फर्नेस होती है विद द नॉर्मल फर्नेस मिरर्ड अप 16 लेवल वाली एंड अगर मैं फॉर सम रीजन इसके अंदर रॉयल शेफ डाल दूं दैट वुड बी लाइक जस्ट क्रेजी डेक मैन. बट या यू सी देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ okay we have a lucky drop here. I hope we get something nice in this lucky drop. I don't have any heroes but we're just gonna 2 star. Okay, so Although we don't have a good starting hand, but I think cannon card could be good for the initial like. एंड हमको इस डेक में हॉग राइडर वगैरह से भी डरने की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज द फर्नेस एक्चुअली काउंटर्स प्रीटी वेल हॉग राइडर को एंड आई कैन जस्ट गॉब्लिन जाइंट ओह माय गॉड वी आई थिंक वी जस्ट गॉब्लिन मशीन एंड वी शुड गेट अ लॉट ऑफ डैमेज ऑन हिज टावर बिकॉज okay we are not getting any damage we just got wrecked by the but our goblin machine should definitely get a good amount of AR especially because of the rockets I don't think I'm gonna respond to that. Yeah, it got 3 rockets off. That's like 600 damage, I think. But it doesn't kill. I need to get my furnace in the back going. I think what I should have done is I should have just cannon card को mirror कर देता मैं उस टाइम पे बट मेरे को पता नहीं था वो hog rider bridge पे कर देगा. Okay, he has the evolved. I can just furnace the other lane as well. I think मेरे को बचा लेना चाहिए था but I think that furnace is just dead because of the I think I should play cannon card here so that if he tries to even go for a hog rider, it should just die. And he did not do anything because he saw my evolved furnace. Now the furnace is getting so much damage already. And the cannon cart is on the tower. He's just a fool, like he's just a fool he thought he can. And that's a bad Ice Spirit in my opinion because the Valkyrie is gonna die anyways and I think he will get a couple of rockets. I think I should just furnace here. We don't really have a good counter. Ekdam hand mein, but see, only 2 hits with no building. That's good actually. That's really good. And I think I can just Goblin Giant here. Because even though he has like this, I can just Goblin Curse it. I can just Rage. Oh wait, I just did bad Rage. Man. That was a really bad trick. What did I do? Okay, okay. Now see. Like I should just distract it. Oh, only 1 hit or 2 hits max. But since he has the evolved, yeah, I will just go with the other lane. And that should be a tower down. It's unfortunate here our furnace was above our move, but yeah, see you can see. We get the tower. Do we? Yeah, we do get the tower and he also gets the tower, but we can just furnace here. And we can Goblin in the pocket and it's game over, man. He is not. I think we just lost. But we have a lot of damage on his tower. We don't really need to worry. I can just cannon cart here. And the Goblin machine is on his king tower. That doesn't really matter. I can just mirror my cannon cart. I can just use this Ice Spirit. And the hog should only get 1 hit. It's unfortunate that उसने हमारे leveled up cannon cart को target करा. I think he must have. I will just go for. That's a bad rocket, man. That's a bad rocket. Because our cannon cart survived and it's game over for him. This game was literally so easy. You just mirror up everything because every card in this deck is just so much broken. You don't even need to do anything. Okay, we got another 2 star, 3 star. Will we get a 5 star here? Will we get a 4 star here? Nah, it's a 3 star. At least give me some gold. Thank you, Supercell. Thank you so much for 11,000. So he has Cannoneer Tower. Cannoneer Tower actually में furnace के लिए थोड़ा बेकार है because it just one shot spirits, but evolved furnace के लिए it's actually very like. I think he has. Should I? Yeah, I think I should because the rocket is gonna destroy the machine, and it should jump. But does he have a like mortar? Does he have a mortar? Okay, our furnace is dead. And just Skelly's here. Does he have a mortar? I think he does have a mortar, but since we have a cannon cut, yeah, he did have a mortar. I think I can just snipe it. Mortar is actually on the tower. I mean, not on the tower, I mean the cannon cut. That's not pretty suitable. But it's okay, the mortar is dead. The one thing that I am actually little scared about is the evolved mortar. उसको छोड़ के और कुछ नहीं है ऐसा जो मेरे को इतना scare करेगा in this matchup. And I can just raise these. हाँ yeah, mortar, evo mortar, and this weird वो. I don't like this. क्या बोलते हैं यार cannon card. I'm using it myself. I think I do need to mirror up my bow because he has his yeah. He did not expect me to have a mirror, I think so, because he just played his bow bad. And I can just get a goblin curse here. We can get a good amount of goblins. He needed 2 arrows, yeah. So that's taken care of. And I think if हमारे पास evolved, I think we should play our goblin giant whenever he uses his mortar, and then no, I think we should get our goblin giant in the back so he uses as a defensive mortar. I think अगर हम ये डालते हैं तो वो defensive mortar नहीं क्या? Oh my God, it's okay. We have our goblin giant tanking. We can just get a evolved furnace here, and that's a lot of value. And we have our evolved goblin giant. We can just evolve goblin giant this lane because the Skelly King is going in the opposite lane. The Skelly King should be taken care of. We can get our cannon card down. We can raise this up. Can we? No, that was a very rage. But it's okay because evolved furnace is on the freaking tower. And we can get a furnace here as well. And we got so much damage on both the lanes. We can get curse here. And we have a lot of goblins. We can get cannon guard here. And that should be a dead mortar. Evo mortar, you're not standing a chance against this furnace, man. You can get goblin giant in the pitch. The one thing is कि उसके पास जो I can just raise this. If I would prefer it before it died, but yeah, that's just I can. Shit. Yeah, we got a lot of goblins. We can get the. I would prefer other. That was a nice arrows by him because इससे क्या हुआ कि उसका वो मरने से बच गया. But still the cannon cart is on the mortar. I can just goblin giant the left and his left tower is gone. I'm just gonna curse and rage and that GG's. That is GG's, man. You cannot stop it. You cannot stop it. This is so easy with this deck, bhai. You just don't even have to do anything. Just goblin giant the back first play and he's gonna do nothing about it because I have my cannon card. क्या ही कर लेगा ऐसा? Yes, Tesla. What does this mean? He might have Expo. We're facing an no, we are facing an World Furnace here. I think I'm just gonna goblin giant. Sorry, goblin. I think we might have lost this. I think I was overly aggressive in this game. I wish we had cuts there. That was a really bad cut. We took some damage, but there are a lot of goblins towards this tower. And we might take some more damage because of our very foul play, but it's okay because we survived and हमारा I think goblin curse बहुत ज़्यादा ही गंदा था. But it's okay. We have a lot of things for his what's it called Mega Knight though, so it doesn't really matter. You can just get furnace rolling in the back. He does know we have a mirror, so I think I should go for a goblin giant here since he used his log. And he goes for it in the back. That's foul, man. He's gonna do nothing. This tower is just gonna crumble down. Because furnace is gonna spawn infinite and that's the tower. Almost tower down. And I don't really care about his bow right now. Because just wanna make sure this cannon card survives because it would help in finishing off that furnace which is really and his next furnace is evolved as well. So now I think we just wait till his. Hmm. Oh my god, I need to rage. Why does he have a random dart goblin and that he wasted it? He wasted a log too. Why is he wasting? Why is he taking so much elixir, man? Oh, I think we just furnace here. Oh no, why did I goblin giant? He's gonna spawn infinite furnace. Shit, shit, shit. We just fell for. But it's okay. His furnace is dead almost. Yeah, his furnace is dead. And I can. Oh no! I wish I had. I can just goblin giant. Why did I mirror Skelly? Yeah, that's a dead tower. I can just rage. I can just grab first. And that GG is. Cannoneer Tower. Why do they use Cannoneer Tower, man? Do they think that it's gonna save the. Like, Cannoneer Tower has gotten a slight. Of course, we both good. What I was saying is the Cannoneer Tower has gotten a slight nerf. मतलब उसकी like even though उसकी attack the ball. I would have preferred अगर I think we lost it. Wait on. We might have a chance. I think I'm just gonna let this go because of our cannon card. Oh yeah. Wait, this might be good. Yeah. We didn't take a lot of damage. I don't know how did we survive that. And the skeletons might get a couple of shots, like eight. That's okay. I think we should just not get a lot of. Wow. It's okay. He has a Mega Knight as well. Just get the furnace rolling in the back. They have the goblin machine, but he might use the boss bandit on the bridge. Just come here. Please die. Okay, the musketeer is at least on. Do we take damage? Yeah, we take a couple of shots. We don't have any damage on his tower though, but I think we can still come back. I just think we are getting in a very bad cycle. Yeah, 2x elixir is it for us. I don't want these to connect, man. They still connect. Just gonna goblin giant the other side because he used up his furnace. Does he not have any gold furnace, bro? I knew he was gonna do something like this, but our machine and our furnace is on the tower, so that's good. Nice. We got a lot of damage. And he's so cooked. I just have. Just catch the skeletons. Oh no. Kill that, yeah. I think cannon cart will be on the tower, and that's the dead. We should just rage. We should just curse, and that's game over for it. GG. तुम लोगों ने देखा मैंने कितना ज़्यादा गंदा खेला ये game, and still I won this. This was. I should be aiming. CRL number 1. Don't care, man. He's using Boss Bandit and Mega Knight both. Even though we are using the floating furnace, but still, it's just foul. So हम लोग अभी PV Nikon. What the fuck is that? I'll just cycle my skeletons. Should I mirror my skeletons? No, I should get the gold. Oh man, I'm just gonna face furnace against furnace. But it's so nice that I have the like mirrored up furnace, man. It just gets so much value. I want my goblin machine to be in front. Oh my god, do we have the same deck? Yeah, we definitely have the same deck. And one thing is, yeah, we definitely have the same deck, man. But at least I think I can just goblin giant the bridge here. I can just goblin giant the bridge here. He cannot do anything about it. That's so much damage on the top. Please kill that. Please kill. It's 1 HP. I think I need to do something. Do I need to do something? Does he respond to it? It will die before getting on my tower, yeah. Like, मुझे लगा था, does he just give up? No, he doesn't give up. He does have a mirror. Like मैं ये बोल रहा था, Royal Chef is really good क्योंकि you can get like, see level 13, level 12 and then mirror up करके level 13. And we can just snipe his furnace. Okay, that we can just snipe his furnace. Definitely sniping his furnace is nice play. And that furnace is also dead because of a cannon card. The cannon card is also a good counter to furnace. But not like on the bridge because that just foul. You saw that. We can just get Goblin Giant rolling in the back. We have our World Furnace next. I don't want to get to my furnace back. I can just cannon cart here. And that is dead. Everything is just dead, man. कर ले जितने goblins निकालने हैं. My furnace is gonna wreck everything. I'm not gonna play my Goblin Giant because वो कुछ वो नहीं करेगा. And his furnace is dead. And his Goblin Giant is dead. Well played. I'm gonna give him well played. He can just Goblin Giant the other lane. And he gives the तुमने देखा the power of this deck. उसने इसको भी rage quit करवा दी. Just because he got so much, like, I can be a 4 furnace down on the map in literally 3 rounds. And that GG, that was foul. That was a mirror matchup and I still won. The furnace is actually really broken.